Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google Assistant feature on this device. So now when I say the Hey Google or OK Google, this switcher is activated, and if you want to turn it off, we should just launch the Google application first, and after that tap on the right down corner. Then click to the settings and tap to voice section. After that click to voice match, and to turn off the switcher you should click once on the switcher and then tap to OK, and now Hey Google feature successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.